Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I am Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Our lead story is about Arattai emerges as India's homegrown WhatsApp alternative. Top HP laptop deals at Amazon Great Indian Festival Sale 2025. The Amazon Great Indian Festival Sale 2025 offers significant discounts on a wide range of HP laptops catering to students, professionals, and gamers. Highlights include the HP OmniBook 5 OLED with Snapdragon X processor, HP Pavilion X360 and Pavilion Plus models with Intel 13th Gen Core i5, and gaming-focused HP Victus and Omen series with NVIDIA GPUs. Key features across models include FHD 2K displays, AI-powered tools, backlit keyboards, and fast storage. Prices drop up to 34%, Canva AI expands globally with multilingual conversational design. Canva has announced the global expansion of Canva AI, its conversational creative partner, now supporting 17 languages and 31 locales. The AI enables users to generate designs via text or voice, respecting cultural context and local conventions. Integrated with Canva's generative tools, Visual Suite, and intuitive editor, it allows creators, businesses, and educators to design effortlessly without expertise. Canva AI has been used over 20 billion times since April 2025. The rollout reinforces accessibility, cultural relevance, and scalability, while Canva also launches the month-long Canva World Tour globally. Apple gears up for M5 MacBooks AI Siri upgrade and 2026 device launches. Apple is shifting focus from the iPhone 17 to Macs powered by the new M5 chip with MacBook Pro, J714, J7116, and refreshed MacBook Air J813, J8115 models nearing mass production, expected by late 2025 or early 2026. Two new external displays, J427, J527, are also in development. Apple is enhancing its AI strategy with a Siri overhaul, Project Linwood, and internal chatbot Veritas. Additional launches include iPhone 17e, updated iPad Pro, iPad Air, and base iPad. Apple addresses minor demo unit scratches, citing MagSafe stands. Sony WH-1000 XM6 headphones launch in India with upgraded noise cancellation and audio. Sony has launched its flagship WH-1000 XM6 headphones in India at Rs 39,990, available in black, platinum, silver, and midnight blue. The XM6 features the HD noise cancelling processor QN3, 12 microphones, adaptive NC optimizer, and AI-powered voice isolation for superior noise cancellation and call clarity. Upgrades include a new driver, beamforming microphones, and customizable sound via the Sony Sound Connect app. Design improvements focus on comfort and durability. Smart features include scene-based listening, quick access, LE audio, Auracast, multi-point connectivity, and high-res audio support. Kaspersky introduces specialized training to secure large language models. Kaspersky AI Technology Research Center has introduced a new online course aimed at equipping cybersecurity professionals to secure large language models, LLMs. With AI and IoT increasingly integrated into corporate systems, understanding LLM vulnerabilities is essential. The program covers exploitation techniques like jailbreaks, prompt injections, and token smuggling, and teaches practical defense strategies at model, prompt, system, and service levels. Led by Vladislav Tushkanov, the course includes video lectures, hands-on labs, and interactive exercises, helping participants assess, defend, and enhance the security of AI-driven applications. Zomato launches AI-powered healthy mode to promote smarter eating. Zomato founder Deepinder Goyal announced the launch of Healthy Mode, a new feature designed to help users make better food choices. Each dish will now carry a healthy score from low to super based on protein, fiber, complex carbs, and micronutrients powered by AI and restaurant data. Initially live in Gurgaon, it will expand soon. Goyal admitted guilt over Zomato, encouraging cravings over nutrition, and called this a major step toward better food for more people. Today's iTool is Copy.ai. AI-powered writing assistant Copy.ai is an AI-driven writing platform designed to help individuals and businesses create high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Leveraging advanced language models, it can generate marketing copy, blog posts, social media content, product descriptions, email campaigns, and more. The platform offers customizable templates and tone options. Our lead story is about Arattai emerges as India's homegrown WhatsApp alternative Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan is endorsing Arattai, an India-based messaging platform by Zoho, urging citizens to support Swadeshi apps. Available on Google Play and Apple App Store, Arattai offers voice and text messaging, audio video calls, document sharing, group chats with up to 1,000 participants, and dedicated channels. While calls are end-to-end encrypted, messages lack full encryption, making it less secure than WhatsApp. The promotion That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.